Okay, so this is going to be something a little different. I'm going to let John kind of explain the premise because I had him on Wan's show like 2 months ago. It was way too long. And we were like, yeah, we need to do a collab. And then I was traveling and then he had some goofball Apple event. He had to something or whatever. I wasn't there. Now we're finally doing it. We are going to have the ultimate debate, iOS versus Android. But, John, how's it going to work?
All right, so we're going to do this. We're going to make this fun. Here's what we're going to do. So it's been 2 months since I was on Linus's show. We want to debate iOS versus Android, but we figure instead of one of us picking a side, we're going to do it two-face style and flip a coin for who's going to get what side. And if you want to watch my part, obviously watch it on my channel. If you want to watch Linus's part, hit the link down below and go watch it on his channel so you can get a better sense of what he's got to say, and we can run through everything together.
FreshBooks is the super simple online invoicing solution that lets you stay organized, save time, and get paid faster. Click on my net to start your free trial today.
All right, heads is iOS, tails is Android.
And we're flipping for my topic. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. We're flipping for your losing topic, I should say. Tails. Look at that. We mixed up. You are going to be on the losing side of Android, and I am going to talk about the glory that is iOS.
All right, well, we're going to start right off with the beautifully crafted workmanship, which is a big load of bollocks right off the hop here, because Android has a customizable experience, so you're not locked into, well, gee, what if I actually wanted more than just a 5x4 grid of icons on my home screens that I can swipe to and from just like this, and nothing other than that. With Android, you can change up your launcher, you can throw an AV8 launcher on there. I mean, iOS, did you see Tim Cook on stage talking? I don't even remember who it was. It was some guy from Apple, doesn't really matter, talking about how now when you wake up in the morning, you can fire up your meditation app contextually from the lock screen. How is that a feature? What if I don't want to meditate that morning? What if I want to check my email? What if it's going to wreck my meditation that I can't see my email before I meditate? Is that innovation on the iOS side?
This is going to be a really easy slam dunk debate. So you said it was so cool you could twist your Android phone to launch it. What if you pick up another Android phone and try and twist it to launch it? Is it going to do it? Nope, because you, my friend, have too much fragmentation. Maybe one phone does it, maybe another phone doesn't. Let's say you upgrade from your last generation Moto X to a new Nexus 6, for example, and you're like, oh great, I know how this is going to work. You do not know how that's going to work. You gotta learn something brand new with every version of Android. You're very unlikely ever going to have the latest that Google has to offer, which means you are like wide open, legs spread, waiting for viruses. I mean, you just come at me, Trojans. Come just give it to me all. Yeah, you can customize. How many people are going to go through and actually download OS, is going to tweak skins? The out-of-the-box experience on iOS is so easy and so seamless, and that's the beauty of what Apple provides. You pick up an Android phone, your app experience might be incredibly far off. Apple offers consistency, you know what you're getting, you know it's gonna work. And they also offer an ecosystem, a seamless ecosystem that's going to work. You're gonna have continuity to answer your phone calls from your tablet. They just make it simpler and simpler, my friends. It's better.
So I heard a whole lot of Apple fanboying over there. I didn't hear any valid points. You know what? How excited were the Apple fanboys when Apple started putting accelerometers and gyroscopes in their phone? They were like, oh my God, now it has a compass. Did they complain? Did they complain that, oh, now I don't understand how to use this compass. This is so confusing. You know what? They probably did, because they're Apple fanboys. Wow, this is just like my last phone. What tremendous innovation. That's what you get on the Apple side. You get the same damn experience every single time, and you get a last gen experience anyway because they're innovating so much slower. Years after the release of the Galaxy Note, they acknowledge people's desire for larger phones, and then they miss the point entirely. The point of the larger phone is the more tablet-like, large battery experience with which, quite frankly, Apple has their head stuck so far up their asses about delivering a long battery life experience that I don't think they're ever gonna get it. They're just gonna keep making it thinner and keep making it so that if you have to GPS somewhere, you're gonna run out of battery halfway through the day, you're gonna be carrying around half a dozen stupid battery banks in your pocket. And what good do your fancy, shiny, by the way, more expensive apps do you if your phone is dead?
So what I'm hearing from you is that being first is better. If that was true, how's your new Windows mobile phone working out that you've been using? We'd all be using Windows mobile phones. The first to come out was always better. I would rather have something that's going to work and work well than be a beta tester for some new technology. That's how was Google Wallet when it first came out? Did everybody use it immediately? No, Apple fine-tuned what they needed to do, and they got that right when Apple Wallet finally came out and Apple Pay came out. And invoking the fanboy name because people prefer one over the other, you know that's silly. Commenters do it, and you always say, don't pick sides. The side you pick, though, I'm gonna say it right here, is wrong.
What I think you have to agree about is Apple prides itself on being innovative, and quite frankly, nothing they showed off at WDC was innovative. In fact, they even made me look stupid. I thought that exposing the rest of your windows to pop up the other side was innovative. Turns out that's been in the Windows 10 preview all this time. So that's Apple's fault, clearly, that I didn't know that.
So what I'm hearing is you not wanting to talk about iOS versus Android. Talk about another topic because you know that you've lost. If you thought WWDC was boring, were you at Google I/O? I almost fell asleep. I had to be making jokes that I had to pee the whole time on Twitter because I was so boring they were talking about. You know what's exciting? Let's spend 45 minutes talking about APIs. Nothing sexier than that.
45 minutes talking about APIs. That's basically all Apple did.
Sexy APIs. Apple brought a show. If we're going to talk conferences, come on.
Now you can make it.
Apple brought a show. Drake was there. The Weeknd was there. They had a sense of humor about themselves.
Who cares if Drake is there? Okay, hold on a second. Let's talk
come on,
APIs for a second.
You're in Canada. Everybody loves Drake in Canada, right?
Apple's innovation is that you can make standalone apps for the iWatch whose screen doesn't even turn on unless you do a gesture. That's innovation. Google's Android Wear has had apps running directly off of the device since ages ago.
And you should probably say, yeah, they've had apps running directly off the watch from ages ago, but only running off the watch for half the day because then the battery's gonna die. You know what? This breaks it down for me. Does your Android phone that you bought, did it come with an antivirus software installed on it?
It doesn't need to. I have never had a virus.
But the fact that most Android phones come pre-installed with antivirus should tell you absolutely everything. At least I know when I put in my bank information into my phone that it's going to stay on my phone and not end up in somebody else's database somewhere else.
Yeah, that's what you think, smart guy. I'm sure the NSA has got it figured out, and you're American, so you're compromised regardless. Bam.
Oh, come on. You're gonna play that card? Oh, it's the NSA, big scary. We're talking about OSs here. iOS is more secure than Android. Every day of the week, every day of the year, it's a more secure operating system. Okay,
so you're gonna pull up that stupid Windows phone low blow. Fine then. Why don't you go use BlackBerry, smart guy?
Whoa. Don't get hasty.
Hold on a second.
Don't get hasty. Now, that's not necessary.
So I think you've clearly run out of ways to defend Apple's shiny phones that only have one button.
I could do this all day. They don't need more buttons because the OS is elegant. You don't need to throw a ton of buttons on there to do what you need to do.
The OS is elegant. You know what's elegant? Double tapping the home button to bring down the one-handed mode and move all your icons down because they can't build a UI that's actually optimized for the size of their phone. And on that note, I want to leave it up to you guys, the audience, to tell us who you thought won. Leave a like on my video, which is linked in John's video description, and leave a like on John's video, which is linked in my video description, to let us know who you thought won the iOS versus Android debate. And if you would like to see this format return, drop a comment under the videos and maybe even suggest some topics, because I certainly had some fun making this video.
These are a blast. Linus, thank you. And come vote on my side for the more elegant OS and the better hardware.
So that's how you're gonna play it. You're gonna act all gracious. You're gonna thank me for participating.
I'm always thanking you.
And then with your fancy pants Zeke wireless touch-sensitive headphones over there, you're gonna tell people to vote for you. Well, I'm gonna tell people, don't vote for a phony. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.
Bye, guys.
Well, there's going to be absolutely no segue here because I'm actually recording this after the fact, but something Squarespace. Squarespace is the online website creation tool that allows you to make a beautiful website just for you very, very easily and affordably. Their plans start at under $10 a month, and if you buy a whole year of Squarespace, then they'll actually throw in your domain for free, as long as it's not a premium domain. So why Squarespace then? Well, they've got a bunch of templates to choose from, whether you want to make a blog, or you want to make a store, or you just want to have like a little news site or a portfolio or whatever else, and you want to look like a professional. Make a website without spending a bunch of time and money on it that makes you look professional. Choose Squarespace. Head over to the link in the video description. That's squarespace.com/Linus to try it out. And if you use offer code Linus, then you guys can actually save 10% on your first Squarespace purchase. So check that out now if you haven't already. A lot of our viewers are already using Squarespace, So that's pretty much it, guys. If you disliked the video, you know what to do, but if you liked it, then go ahead and like it, and if you thought I won, then like mine too. If you thought John won, though, head over to that link in the video description to like John's video over on TechnoBuffalo. If you liked our video, also make sure you're getting subscribed to me and John. Make sure that you guys are checking out the links in the video description where you can buy cool Linus Tech Tips. I don't have one handy. Linus Tech Tips t-shirt. Also, you can even give us a monthly contribution. Change your Amazon bookmark to one with our affiliate code. That kind of stuff helps us out a lot. And if you've done all that stuff already and you're looking for something new to watch, then go ahead and check out the video we did yesterday. It was actually a mystery unboxing. So hit that little eye in the top right corner to check it out.